right, so after a sea day, which was nice, okay, a lot of sun, a little bit of rain, but it was not too bad. We are now in Puerta Plata, Dominican Republic. This is actually a new country for both of us. I think I go to country number 51 and like country 58 for Tracy. So which is kind of cool. Beautiful, beautiful day, and we're gonna go scuba diving. So let's go. So we just finished our two dives. Really kind of nice. Kind of a
shallow dive, and then we went to 90 feet, so it was pretty good.
Yeah, well, 90 feet in shallow dive, but pretty good. Enjoyed it. Dive operation, kind of quaint. Read into that as you might wish, but good. Okay, professional dive master. Really enjoyed it. So now we're gonna head our way back up to the ship. All right, so on the way back to the ship, we stopped off at a little restaurant here right on the beach, which looks absolutely beautiful. All right, so good morning. All right, so last week we had such a good cruise that we're doing it again. So today what we are is we're back in the Dominican Republic. Remember, our cruise last week was supposed to be the Western Caribbean, but because of the hurricane, we did this entire cruise again. So what we're doing today is we're going to a waterfall. All right, so they will tell you there's only 54 steps. I am now at 70. Don't believe them. Of those cartoon dolls. All right, Trace, you got this. Right in here. Go. Now, 1, 2, 3. Wait. Go. Right in the middle. Yep, go on. 2, 3. So we've done the waterfalls, we have had lunch, and now we're in this beautiful water hanging out on the beach. So not a bad day.